Hi, Michelle. Good to see you. I hope you're doing well. This is going to be a discussion on trueyouhumandesign.com and how to rank it appropriately in Google. Okay. This is your website as it comes up when I search for you. And it has a little bit about you, and that's good. That's excellent. We need to know who's doing the reading. But what we need now is at least 1,500 words of keyword rich content. We're talking about what human design is. Your biggest competitor, My Human Design with Jenna Zoe, has, when we click to her Get Your Chart, well, she is actually an exception to this rule because her ranking on Google is ridiculous. This is where we're at. She has over 5,000 backlinks. She's got 2,600 keywords that are coming up in her sites and referring domains, over 1,000 of them. So she's nationwide, ranked on Google. You can see this number right here. This is out of a few billion people. That's where she ranks. So she's very strong in the human design. But the person that comes in first for Denver is this guy, Peter Berv. I don't know if you know him, but he's in Denver doing human design. And you can see from his page that he does, it looks like at least 1,500 words here. And they're key rich, human design, what makes human design, all this stuff, your true self, how those kind of things come up. Let's look at how he ranks on Ahrefs. Go to Peter Berv. He is doing pretty good. He's got 264 backlinks, which are referring domains being part of it, but ways to get to his site. His organic traffic is 14 click-throughs a month, and he uses about 73 keywords, and we'll go there now to look at what some of these words mean. Human Design Reader as a word has a traffic of 60 searches a month for human design reading, and it's a difficulty of 2. So it's really easy to rank in that. Now I've added up all the things that Peter uses, and his come to about 570 search words a month. And if you're only getting 20% of that, that'll be 142.5 leads that are viable. That's 14 leads a month, which I estimated about $300 a lead, but I don't know the exact price, which is $4,200 a month just on internet traffic. So going to your page, and then we're going to go to your overview of where you stand on trueyouhumandesign.com, is there's no information. There's been no SEO done at all. So there's no way to find your website, even if people were looking, unless you told them yourself. It's not going to come up. So what we can do is make sure your website has the content, keyword-rich content. We'll also make sure that you rank in Google My Business, which, by the way, only Peter Berg does in Colorado because he's the only other guy. There's a couple other people, but their settings are way lower, so it'll be much easier to rank above him. I just wanted to go through this quickly with you, Michelle, to let you know where we were and how we were going to strategize to take care of what you needed. And we'll get you some leads really soon. I hope that's helpful. The next thing that we're going to do is schedule a deep dive, and have a great day.